Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing a tutorial slash haul from Sephora. Just bought some products that are new and some of them that have already been out for a while that I just want to try because I haven't tried it yet. Let's start with the new. The only new thing I got was or is Amrezy palette. I've always been an Amrezy fan, ever since, girl, I don't even know. I can't even recall how far back I started following her. Let's just say it was when she was friends with certain people that she's not friends with now. I was there for that. I was live, you know. I was there. Yeah, I've been following her probably even a little bit before then. So let's look at this. Ooh. Like, this is so pretty. Like, this is probably one of the prettiest palettes that I have. I think all my other palettes are like black or white, or like, you know what I mean? Like, nothing looks this gorgeous. So these are the beautiful colors. Yes. And I will be using this palette today, just because it's one of the new palettes that is out now. And then I got two HudaBeauty products. One is the foundation in the color Brown Sugar. And then I got the nude rich HudaBeauty palette. This one has been out for a minute, so I'm gonna use this in probably another tutorial or something, but we will be using the foundation today. I'm going to try the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna in the shade 230. So we're gonna do that. And then the last thing I purchased was from MakeupForever, which is one of their lip pencils that I liked before. And I like their lip pencils because they're really creamy and they seem to like stay on for a while, so I liked that about it. And it's the shade Limitless Brown in the number 608. So we'll probably be using this today as well. My face is already prepped and ready to go. I am going to actually do my brows off camera, and then we'll get into the eyes, and then we will get into the foundation and everything else. Okay? So I'm definitely gonna do like underneath, like probably try and mimic what I did up top underneath and all that good stuff. So now I'm going to get into face. We're trying the new HudaBeauty, or just not new, but for me it's new. And here she is, so pretty. From what I understand is a little bit goes a long way. So we're gonna use a tiny bit, and I'm gonna use my Jaclyn Hill JH0 or number 3 brush, and I'm gonna blend it out, and then I'm gonna use a sponge to kind of just set her a little bit. And you know, for how expensive this is, you would think she would come in a glass container, and it's in plastic. So that's different. The foundation. And the girl from Sephora told me, she was like, are you okay with perfume smells? And I'm like, I mean, yeah, I should be. She's like, okay, because it's, you know, just heavily scented. And I'm like, okay. And it's funny because I didn't notice it until now, until like I totally forgot that she told me that. Bitch, do not get on this fucking hoodie. So I'm just gonna blend this out, and then I'm gonna use my damp sponge and just blend it out more. Okay, so this is the foundation. Honestly, it looked good, girl. I love it. The foundation matches perfectly. Shout out to the girl that matched me at Sephora. I think it looks great. It doesn't feel like cakey or anything. It actually feels like really light. I didn't use a lot, so there's, you know, a helpful tip if you want to save your foundation, your expensive foundation. Usually your expensive foundation, a little bit goes a long way, so you don't need too much. Next is the Fenty Beauty Concealer. We are going to So next, after that, I'm going to take my AirSpun, and I'm just gonna put the AirSpun down there first with that. So I'm going to do a powder contour. I am using the Morphe Brontour and Video Blogger. Right, okay. This brush here, but it's like flat, but then it's like a little fluffy, and I'm just going to tap into that. And I always start from the top part of my nose, and I work my way down. Always start from the top, pack that color in there, and then take that color with you. And I always try and keep my head like straight on. And then sometimes I might even come in a little bit like over to really get it to blend and to be snatched, and not have that like super harsh line keep it as natural as possible, but then still snatched. Yes. Hello, we're here. And I usually dust it off with some Hoola, just the regular Hoola. And I'm not too big on doing the underneath the contour thing anymore. I just feel like my face is just not that right shape to do that. I don't know. I just feel like every time I do it, it looks stupid. So we ain't doing it. I'm gonna take this really, really dark shade by Maybelline. It's in the color 16H, which I believe is their darkest powder that they have. And I literally just, like, I go like this. Maybe do a little bit more than that. I might tap it off a little bit, and I'll literally just go right in the crease of my cheekbone and just tap. And then I'll do the same thing for under my jaw. Right, just right here. Right at that bone. And I just blend it out. So it's not as harsh and it's super soft. And it is there. So I decided on two things. So I did my eyes off camera. So all I did was take 1988 and You Go underneath the eye. I did a white liner, pencil liner, and I just put some mascara on. And I love what it did to the makeup. It looks amazing. So now we're gonna highlight my face. And I'm gonna use this Iconic London Prep Set Glow spray in the shade Water Mist Original. And today's highlighter is going to be Artist Couture in the shade Illuminati. I am obsessed with this fucking highlighter. You guys don't even understand. Using the MakeupForever lip pencil, and then I bought this Maybelline Superstay matte ink, and this is in the shade 55, which is called Driver. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I know my hair is not done, but this is the makeup look for today, our beauty haul / tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have another video coming up about being a first-time mom, which I am, which I know I haven't broke that to YouTube yet, but I am going to post that video soon. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. You know, get your girl going out there, you know, because we can have a good time, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Bye.